Exciting news! Qualcomm is making two special versions of its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip for the new Galaxy S24 Ultra phone. These chips will also be in the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models sold in the US and China. According to a famous tech leaker named Anthony, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a slightly different chip in the US and Korea compared to another version for the rest of the world. The US and Korea will get a chip that's a tiny bit slower, but don't worry, you won't really notice the difference in everyday use. Even if the other chip is a bit faster, it might make the phone heat up more, which isn't great. But Samsung's got it covered with their cool vapor chamber technology. This neat feature inside the phone helps keep everything cool, so you don't have to worry about overheating. Get ready for the big reveal of the Galaxy S24 on January 17th. Samsung is getting everyone excited with huge billboards in cities all around the world like Bangkok, London, and New York. These billboards show a cool metallic Q turning into stars, hinting at the awesome new Galaxy AI technology. You can find pictures of these billboards from places like Seoul, Milan, and Bangkok. They're really making a splash, grabbing the attention of everyone who hasn't heard about the Galaxy S24 yet. The latest leaks even show a real-life Galaxy S24 Ultra in a beautiful gold color. This phone looks fantastic with its flat screen, making it stronger and getting rid of the need for expensive screen protectors. The back of the phone is pretty too, with the matte finish and a lighter titanium frame. It seems like many people, including me, are already loving the design of this new phone. And there's more good stuff. The standard Galaxy S24 will have a 6.2-inch display and great cameras. In the US and South Korea, it'll run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, while Europe gets the Exynos 2400. It's expected to be priced between $850 and $900. The Galaxy S24 Plus is even bigger with a 6.7-inch display and might cost around $1,050. The top model, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is the star with a huge 6.8-inch display and fantastic cameras, including a 200-megapixel main lens. It's expected to start at about $1,250. So the new Galaxy S24 series is almost here with its fresh design, strong build, brighter display, and cool new AI features. It sounds like Samsung has done a great job making these phones ready for success. If you're thinking about upgrading or getting your first Galaxy S phone, this series might just be the perfect choice. Stay tuned for more updates as the launch gets closer. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 gigabytes of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5,000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna